Hey SM1 kids, so this is the review, sort of, for your Chapter 0 test. If I didn't give you a review packet already, I will have it should be attached to Canvas, and you'll be able to get it from there. But this is one of those reviews that if you can do this review, you will do great on the test. So just make sure that you study that review like crazy. Today, all I'm going to do for the review is just go over properties of addition and multiplication, because I went over them before, but I didn't do anything in homework to have you test it out and have you try it. So I'm going to go over it one more time because it is on the review. It will be on the test. And then what's going to happen, this is really important, I'm going to give you a week or so to work on the review, and then I'm going to record myself doing the review. So if you get stuck, you'll be able to watch me, and I will do the whole review on the board. And you'll be able to get all the answers that you need. So, but just for now, I'm just going to go over this just so that you can remember how to do this. Okay, so properties for addition and multiplication are very similar. The identity one is really the only one that's different specifically. So commutative property, remember I talked about this, it's like traveling. You're at home and you've got work, and you travel from home to work and then from work to home. So you could even say work plus home equals home plus work. So I'm going from, well, this time I'm starting at work and I'm going home, and then I go from home to work. Okay, so an example could be 2 plus 3 equals 3 plus 2. Okay, multiplication is the same way. 4 times 2 equals 2 times 4. So that's commutative. I'm commuting from one place to another, if that helps you remember. Okay, the next one, oh, I forgot that they actually give you some examples here. Let me erase mine. Okay, so they give you some here. I don't know if you can see them. Maybe they're too small. I don't know. Okay, the associative property. If you have an associate, it's like having a friend, right? And say this is me, and this is my friend, and this is another friend, okay? And sometimes I hang out with that friend. And sometimes I hang out with this friend. Okay, so these associates, this is a good way to describe the associative property. Okay, so what they have here, I don't know if you can see it. I hope you can. I'll rewrite it right here. So if I have A plus B plus C, and it equals A plus B plus C. Okay, this first group, I can hang out with that friend, and in this group, I can hang out with the other friend. Okay, so that is the associative property, and it works with the multiplication too. So if I had A times B times C equals A times B times C, and I group them again, okay, they're just grouped a little bit different, but we're all still friends, right? Okay, lastly, we have the identity property, and for addition, it's whatever we do to the number to get itself back. My identity, I'm staying true to who I am, right? So any number added to 0 is going to give me the same number. Now obviously anything multiplied by 0 is going to give me 0. So this is where they're a little bit different. But what do I do to a number? What do I multiply by a number to get that number back? To keep my identity. I have A and I multiply it by 1 and I get myself again. Okay? So those are the 6 properties you need to know. The commutative, associative, associative identity properties of addition and multiplication. Okay, so now I want you to work on that review packet, do the very best you can, and sometime next week I will post, I will do all the problems, but I don't want to do that. I don't want you watching me do the problems until you've tried them yourself. So I'll be doing that next week, okay?